Hey there, online entrepreneurs, male and female. Ever wanted to crack the code on boosting your sales to businesses? Well, look no further because today we're diving deep into the world of B2B online money strategies. Here are some tips to make money online and improve your sales while selling to businesses or B2B1. Identify your target audience. Determine the specific industries or businesses that would benefit from your product or service. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts and approach accordingly. 2. Build a professional website. Create a user-friendly website that showcases your offerings, highlights your value proposition, and provides necessary information for potential B2B clients. Ensure that your website is visually appealing, informative, and easy to navigate. 3. Develop a strong online presence. Utilize various online platforms to promote your business and build credibility. This includes social media marketing, content marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and search engine optimization. Consistently produce valuable content that resonates with your target audience to establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. 4. Network with industry professionals. Attend virtual conferences, webinars, and networking events to connect with potential clients and industry experts. Building relationships with key decision makers can lead to new business opportunities. 5. Offer personalized solutions. Understand the pain points and challenges faced by businesses in your target market and tailor your offerings accordingly. Providing personalized solutions and demonstrating how your product or service can directly address their needs will significantly enhance your sales efforts. 6. Provide exceptional customer service. Promptly respond to inquiries, provide thorough information, and deliver on your promises. Exceptional customer service is crucial for B2B sales as it builds trust and can lead to long-term relationships and repeat business. 7. Align your pricing strategy. Determine a competitive yet profitable pricing strategy for your B2B offerings. Take into consideration factors such as production costs, industry standards, and perceived value. Highlight the strong return on investment (ROI) that businesses can achieve by utilizing your product or service. 8. Utilize referral programs. Encourage satisfied B2B customers to refer your business to their industry peers by offering incentives or rewards. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be highly influential in the B2B sector. 9. Leverage online marketplaces. Consider listing your products or services on trusted B2B online marketplaces. These platforms provide exposure to a vast network of potential B2B customers and can significantly boost your sales. 10. Analyze and optimize your sales strategy. Continuously monitor and analyze the performance of your online sales efforts. Utilize analytics tools to track website traffic, lead generation, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Based on these insights, make data-driven decisions and optimize your sales strategy. 10 tips to make money online and improve your sales in B2B. 1. Identify your target audience. 2. Build a professional website. 3. Develop a strong online presence. 4. Network with industry professionals. 5. Offer personalized solutions. 6. Provide exceptional customer service. 7. Align your pricing strategy. 8. Utilize referral programs. 9. Leverage online marketplaces. 10. Analyze and optimize your sales strategy. Learn more about how you can get the best opportunities in the B2B market with us. www.dopo company.